pick me up. You made me feel as though I wasn't now. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hand back when you were throwing up, and then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was so cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and then you asked me to stay over, and I said, I already told you, I think you should get some rest. I knew I love you then, but you never know, 'cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I know I needed you, but I never showed. I wanna stay with you until we get old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. I'll thank my lucky stars for the night. And when you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forgot that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, and you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. We've come so far, my dear, look how we've grown. I wanna stay with you until we get old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. Even when we close, 'cause we're always there for me when I need you the most. I'm gonna love you till my